Hi there. I've just washed the 1290. It's looking as clean as it's ever looked, and it seemed like a good time to do a little memories or retrospective video, mostly for my purposes because I'm thinking of selling it. And you must understand this isn't because I have a problem with the bike, it's because I've just turned 70 this year, and what is it? It's 2021, it's June. Still got COVID restrictions, still got travel bans, so I have to think carefully about the kind of motorcycling I'm going to do in my 70s, which obviously is a bit of a step down from what I'm used to. These things happen to all of us. Anyway, let me flip this round and we'll take a look at the bike. There it is. Looking moderately, well, I wouldn't say shiny, but for a bike that's supposed to be a dirt bike, it's reasonably clean. So just rough details, I've had it about 3.5 years. It's done about 16,500 miles. It has been reliable, despite what everybody says. I've had no problems with it. It's a very peculiar bike. You have to like the idea of riding the world's biggest dirt bike, 160 brake horsepower, and people say, what could you possibly need 160 brake horsepower for? And the answer is, it's a hoot and it's fun. So that is the simple answer. It's a hoot, it's fun. I haven't actually ridden it off-road. I've been too much of a coward. I feel that bitterly, but I have a little Honda and I ride that off-road, and so I don't ride this off-road. It's part of the reason I'm getting rid of it. My strength is waning. I just don't feel that I can handle a bike like this off-road. But I'm sure somebody can. However, we've had good fun. We've been to... Where have we been? We've been to the Picos de Europa in northern Spain. Went from the Picos to Porto in Portugal. Did a big loop round through Galicia and back to the Picos. Then I went along the Pyrenees and then all the way back across France to Calais and across back into the UK. So, and aside from that, it's had a very large number of more pedestrian runs, thrashing around Welsh valleys and such. If you're curious to know what it's like to ride a bike like this, it's surprisingly nimble, it's balanced, it's like a big supermoto. It's actually really quick and fun. Anyway, you see I got Tourtec pannier racks, and I've got Krieger adapter plates for their soft luggage. Got a Jivy mounting plate for a pannier, and although it's not fitted, I've got the adapters for a Tourtec matching tank bag. So that's my adventuring equipment. I also have a big screen, the screen from the S model, but I've taken it off. This is the screen it was bought with, but the S model screen is much larger and keeps flies and rain off my face. What else? Start it up, see what it sounds like. Hang on, I need to juggle things. Press the button, there it goes. And that's an Arrow exhaust. I took the original off, it's quite heavy, and the Arrow slip-on's quite nice. Anyway, that's all I got to say about it. I'll just append a few little videos of me riding around various places just for fun, and if I do sell the bike, I can remember what it was like. Thanks. course, nothing but total concentration on a road like this. Oh, look at that. It's just fabulous. See the road way over there.